Labor Day weekend, Godsmack is working double time. Singer Sully Erna and guitarist Tony Rambola are taking over, hosting and sharing stories about 90s and 2000s hard rock.
This song definitely has some deep personal tie to it for me.
Godsmack's Labor of Love weekend starts today, 8 a.m. Eastern, 5 Pacific, on Turbo, Channel 41.